Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to share some PTE tips and tricks with you. So take your notebook and let's get started. Let's start with the speaking section. The speaking section is divided into two parts, repeat sentence and read aloud. The key to pass this section is be fluent and be confident about your words and clear with your pronunciations. In repeat sentence, listen carefully and repeat as much as words as you can. In this section, don't worry if you miss out a word, just try to be confident and continue fluently. The trick here is to focus on keywords, that is verbs, nouns and adjectives, and get them correct. Next is our writing section. Many students find this section difficult, but if you have a clear picture of the sections, it is not that difficult. In this section, you have to write in 250 to 300 words. Try to keep it in three sections, that is introduction, body and conclusion. In introduction, you have to paraphrase the question. In body section, cover it in 2 to 3 points. And conclusion should be strong enough to understand the whole essay. Next comes summarize written section. In this section, try to complete your summary in one sentence and try to use words like although, however and because to make your sentence transaction smooth. Next is the reading section. In the reading section, students find it difficult to manage their time. So here the tip is to just skim and scan. Don't focus on every word and try to read each and every word. The first point is reorder paragraphs. In this section, try to be logical with your sentence. As the first sentence that will provide the introduction to the concept will be followed by the explanation of that concept. Next comes the multiple choice questions. In multiple choice questions, to save your time, find the keywords in the question and try to find the same keywords in the paragraph so that you can easily get your answers. Next is the listening section. In this section, try to stay focused and catch the key details. In this section, we have summarized spoken text in which the audio will be played only once, so listen carefully. Here starts our tips section. First one is take notes. Try to note down the key section including dates, names and important keywords. The next is the highlight correct summary section. In this section, focus more on the meaning rather than the words. The overall meaning should be the same. In fill in the blank section, focus on the context. There you will be provided with the clues whether it is a verb, noun or an adjective. Next is our time management section. In time management section for reading and listening, don't get stuck on one question. You can just go forward and come back. And in writing section, you can just write it out and go forward, and in the end if you have time left, just come back and go through a proofreading for spelling mistake and grammatical mistakes. And last but never the least, mock tests are essential for practice, practice and practice. For practice, you can sign up to Gurully from the link given in the description and start practicing with the real-time exam environment that gives you real-time management and analysis of your answers so you can focus on your weak areas. So these are your PTE preparation tips. So start practicing for your exam. All the best, and yes, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe our channel.